Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. To complete the writing task on daily basis, people in research and academia are using Microsoft Office. Unfortunately, most of the students are unable to pay for the updated version of Microsoft, and for that reason they have to rely on the old versions which are not compatible and not integrated with the many tools. And they do not provide any kind of edit and proofread features. But what if I told you there is a free alternative available of Microsoft Office, which will not only allow you all the features which Microsoft Office allow you, but its AI integration make your writing and proofreading process much more easier. You're not restricted to these features, but you can protect your files. You can make the edits in PDF. You can share the live link of your documents with others and can perform many mind-blowing tasks while using this free alternative of Microsoft. And you can access MS Word, PowerPoint, and you will get very interactive built-in templates for different kind of documents. You do not have to create every time from zero. You can join me by accessing this tool from the link which is available, and you can access all the premium features in free and can replace your Microsoft Word right today. When you click the link, you will see this kind of interface, and you can see there are so many products which are available for OnlyOffice, and they have been specifically designed for the persons like you. While using OnlyOffice doc space, you can use all these features in free, and you will be amazed as you can create ebook of the document. You can create the diagrams and you can edit the diagrams, you can fill the forms, you can even not visualize the data, even you can write the description of data when you are using Google Sheet. As you can see, its PDF feature will allow you to build fillable PDF forms, read and PDF and export and import to PDF, convert docs to Markdown and HTML, turn your textbook into ebook, and so on and so on. So, for using, you have to go to its download feature, and then you have to select the option for enterprise servers, for developer servers or desktop, and go for Windows option, and we'll download it, and then you have to install it by following the very easy-to-go process. After installation, you will see this kind of a clear, very easy-to-understand interface. And here you can see that you have a Docs, Spreadsheets, Presentations, and PDF. Drag your file here, or select a file when I click on the document. As you can see, I have the same interface as in MS Word. It's a home, and then there is an Insert the option, and then there is a Draw option, Layout, special section for references, for collaborations, for protection, where I can put collaborations protections view, and a very amazing feature of plugins, which it offers you with Microsoft Office mostly fails, because when we are working on reference management, then Zotero and Mendeley does not integrated with the old version of MS Word. You can't use the free version, but with the OnlyOffice, you can add the plugins. Just by clicking on the plugin manager, you can submit your own plugin, or you can search here for the plugins where you can see all the plugins, including reference management plugins, writing plugins, CV builders, Draw.io, which is a very prominent tool for drawing. As you can see, there are grammar checking plugin available. Mendeley, you can see here, and we are going to do some hands-on them to show you how you can proceed with this process. So, for example, this is our document, and just by clicking on the text and a typographic, I can increase the typography of my document, like for example, punctuations, no breaking space, and all that I can check, and I can apply on my this specific document. I can send it through email, and its AI feature help me to chat. Here I can select the chatbot AI model, for example, OpenAI or Deep. Then I can select the user model, all or you just want, for the images, for embedding, for auto-proceeding, or all that. There are settings. When you click on the AI, you can use it. Text summarization, analysis, translation, image-to-text, and text-to-image generation features. But for this purpose, you have to get the access of some chatboards, which you want to apply. It's a spreadsheet that entirely looks like the spreadsheets of Microsoft Office, and as you can see, there are so many options available. Even you have some very prominent formulas here. As you can see, these are the very prominent formulas, which you can use to apply any of your data, and you do this work professionally and quickly. And in the same way, you can put your data, you can collaborate, you can add the comments on your data, as you can do here, in the OnlyOffice in collaboration. You can add the comments, and you can track the changes, and even you can protect your file, which you can protect your document, and no, nobody can make any changes in your document. And if you want to unprotect it, you have to enter your password, and then you will be able to make the changes. So in this way, you can protect your document. You can add the digital signatures in this, and even you can draw with the help of its draw feature. While staying on the same interface, you can use its presentation feature, and even you can edit your already designed presentation, or even you can choose the layouts from the templates available. This also allows you to apply transitions, animations, and the same collaboration feature. You can protect the document. You can use its view option and plugins in AI. For PDF, you have to click on PDF and create new ones. You have to go to Open, and you can open any PDF file you want to edit or you want to make the changes. Now, in this PDF file, you will be able to edit the PDF just by clicking on Edit PDF feature. And if you want to edit the text, you have to click on Edit Text, and all the text you want to edit will be highlighted in this way. In the same way, you can delete the pages, you can add the text box, you can add the images shapes, you can insert all these features in this PDF, you can edit PDF, you can add the forms even in the PDF, or you can fill up any kind of a PDF form available just by uploading on OnlyOffice, and OnlyOffice will help you to make the professional changes without going to any other converter app. Here, you can also access plugins. You can make the use of AI, and you can add the comments by using and highlighting in different colors. It's going to make your daily writing process much easier, faster, and more professional. You can access this tool from the link which is available in the description, and for any kind of assistance, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.